Hey guys, Jen here at the Rogue Homestead, and Easter is approaching, and I thought that it would be fun to show you how to make homemade Easter dye. So that's what we're gonna do. Super easy. You need water, vinegar, food dye, and eggs. That's it. So what you do is you put hot water on the boil. Once that's boiling, you take a half a cup and you fill up all of your containers with a half a cup of water. From there, you add 1 teaspoon of vinegar to each container, and then 10 to 20 drops of your food dye in each container. And then you put your egg in there and you let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, and boom, you got colored Easter eggs. So super easy, super simple. I've got my containers here, the wide mouth. I've got some just plastic containers, some wide mouth mason jars, vinegar, and then I have 5 different colors of food coloring that I'm gonna use. And it's gonna be super fun. The kids will love it. And yeah, so let's get to making some Easter egg dye. Okay guys, there you have it. That was so easy. All of my different colors. Look at how beautiful these eggs are. All of them are beautiful. The kids will be able to find them. The vibrance comes from the vinegar or the acid. It really helps the eggs take on such a bright color. But I hope you guys have a great Easter. And if you guys liked what we did today, if you could hit that like button, subscribe, leave us a comment, we would really appreciate it. So as always, no matter where you are, I hope you have a great day.